What does it mean to be Batman? What does it take to be Batman? Is it strength? Is it absolute courage? Is it the responsibility that comes with it? Am I Batman?
Yo, I'm really hella ill, like really hella ill. So chill, give a chill, girl, meet me in the hills. I mean safe in the hills. No $1 bill, cause I mean it makes sense. Yo, I know I'm hella ill. I thought you said you wanna chill while you fucking in the hills. You better catch no feels, cause I'm not fucking ill.
Mama, what's the deal? Mama, what's the feel? Can you tell me how to feel? Can I be the one to chill? I really fucking ill. Double take no pill, yeah, we fucking on the hill.
Damn it. Not you two. Who the hell is this? Can this day possibly get worse? With my luck, probably so. Okay.
In other news, the doll maker was delivered to the police station last night. He was sent straight to Arkham Asylum, where he will be locked up until further investigation of his crimes. The Sons of Batman continue to wage war in Gotham City against two opposing sides, the ones who have decided to kill and the others who don't. The Justice League is still unable to act. The newest group of vigilantes that call themselves Spawns of Joker have risen up in order to fight against the Batman. The Joker group are in tribute to the actual Joker, who is now seen as a hero ever since the original Batman killed him. They say that the Joker was just trying to stop this from happening in the first place, and that we should have stopped Batman a long time ago. It is still unclear if the new group will cause equal harm. The government has been sending the newly assembled Task Force X on missions to stop the madness in Gotham. Active members such as Solomon Grundy, Livewire, and Spellbinder have already been spotted. Deathstroke, Deadshot, and Menace are rumored to be on their way. Please remember to be in your home before dark for your own safety.
I know that someone is here. But where? I need to focus. Block out all sound. There. Yare. I should have known it would have been you. I don't know if I can handle you right now. My mind's been too fuzzy, but maybe I could try talking you out of this. Right. So be it. I need to stop her the first chance I get. See if I can call for backup. What does it mean to be Batman? What does it take to be Batman? Does it take strength? Is it undeniable courage? Is it the responsibility that comes with it? Maybe it's the ability to fight your own demons. The consistent struggle to do better. I can win. I can win. I can win. I can win. But
Kiara, what is it that you think that you are doing right now? You were not ordered to kill Luke by Damien or me. You are to stop what you are doing at once and head back to HQ. You will be dealt with for your uncalculated acts.
differently of success. If it don't make me happy, sadly, I don't see me doing this. If fuck school, I'm cool making moves in music, ain't not doing it. Believe it, achieve it in the name of Jesus. And people gon' hate but don't care what they thinking. They ain't talking positive, then they ain't speaking. Just drown out their comments, get to the deep end. Oh, take all your doubts, take all your worries, just let go. Do you be you, school selling out, that is a no. No, I've been dreaming, I've been thinking I can do this in this music, be a legend. Engines revving, lights probably ruined, but all I see is green.